Ole ole to all. This is Hellhound Engineering Solutions bringing you a down and dirty, do-it-yourself home network upgrade. Going from the old, small, outdated structured media enclosure to a do-it-yourself network rack and new wiring throughout the home. First thing after removing the media enclosure, filling in all the holes, basically remodeling the closet wall, I gathered up my scrap wood, pipe, screws, and paint. I built a wire spool holder and network rack. You can sand and paint the rack. I did mine black and green. It's a nice color combo. There's no need to paint the wire spool holder. You can discard it after use. I push a wire up into the attic by the wall where I'll be placing an outlet. When I find the wire in the attic, I know where to drill and push the cable down. I secure all the cables throughout the attic, and most of the cables are fed from the closet to their individual drops. I ran Cat 6A shielded cable from the closet throughout the house, putting an Ethernet drop in every room. Some I put 2 drops and the living room 3, plus fiber. That way when I upgrade from the BGW 210 to the BGW 320, I can either use the closet or living room as its location. In the closet, I set the network rack on an adjustable shelf and installed a 24-port 6-able shielded patch panel, a TP-Link 16-port gigabit switch, and other Ethernet connected accessories, freeing up Wi-Fi bandwidth. Ole ole, all done. This is a very durable do-it-yourself project. Just be careful not to step in between the joists in the attic, and you will have lightning internet speed, not tying up bandwidth, slowing down your Wi-Fi. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. And good luck on your do-it-yourself projects.